Hi everyone, welcome back to SugarCrashTV. Today we have some cool kitchen science for you. Yeah, we have 5 science experiments that you can do for practically free with things that you have around your kitchen. And I think Josh is going to start. So Josh is going to try the potato and straw experiment. So all you need is a potato that is uncooked and a straw. And Josh, do you think you can put the straw through the potato?
I don't think so.
Okay.
A little bit.
Now what happens if you cover the end of the straw?
Oh.
It goes right into the potato. But you can try it at home. If you try to get the straw through the potato, it will not work. But if you squeeze the middle or plug the end, it will work. This is because I have done research. It's because the compressed air in the straw makes the straw strong enough to cut through the skin. So when you put your finger over the top of the straw, it traps air through the straw, and then it can pass through the potato. And if you have a strong enough straw, it should be able to pass through the other side. Without your thumb covering the straw, the air is simply pushed out of the straw, and the straw crumples when it hits the potato surface. And that is potato science. The first step is to stretch plastic wrap over a glass bowl so that it's really tight, like a drum.
And put sprinkles or rice on the bowl thing. Then you take a pan, and take a spoon and then hit the pan.
And the sound waves pass through the air and make the sprinkles dance.
And let's try with rice.
We just go eat all the sprinkles.
Don't eat our dancing sprinkles. And here is some uncooked rice. Let's see what happens with that.
Sound looks like dancing food.
Great.
Ow.
So see if you can make some sprinkles and rice dance.
Well, I'm trying to
And then Nathan is going to make some color bombs.
Yeah. So first, you take like glasses, you fill them half full with water, and then so you pour a thin coating of oil on, like
Vegetable oil.
vegetable oil.
Okay, that should be good. And it floats to the top. Do you think you need more?
Yeah, wait a little bit.
Make sure it covers the top.
That's good.
Oh yeah.
That looks good. That air bubble will go away in a minute.
Next. That looks good too. Like. Yep.
Once the air bubbles
Yeah.
all pop inside there.
Okay, and then for the final one.
Okay, great.
And this thin coating of oil on the top of the water. And oil floats, if you didn't know.
Yes.
Alright, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do the blue one first. We're gonna put like, it's 1 to 5, I think.
1 to 5 drops, yeah.
But we're just gonna put 3.
5. Put 5. It looks better with 5.
2, 3.
Okay, now, yeah, put 5.
4.
Okay, now you do that to the other 2. Oh, look. Now it settles on the top. Oh,
That
look.
should sink as a color.
And when it finally sinks through the bottom, of the oil, you have like a color explosion.
I think you should do multicolored with the next one.
Maybe the last one will do that.
Yeah, we'll put in all of the colors. This one will be red.
Awesome. See how it's it's still sitting on the top. There's some more.
Yeah, it's so interesting. It completely dyed the water.
It looks all black when you look from the top.
Well, let's just move this aside and go into the next color.
Okay, try the next color.
Okay, there's still two colors.
I can get them both in the shot so we can continue to look at that one too.
Okay, and then let's add in. Should we do 6 for this one?
Sure.
17.
5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Alright, and then that should sink, but this one's 8.
I'm gonna see when they sing.
You don't know when it's gonna fall.
This is gonna take a while.
2 hours later.
Oh, I think we're close.
Yeah.
It's sprinkles. Too much oil, maybe.
Maybe 9 is too many drops. Maybe that affects it.
Oh, wait. Look at
They're all dropping at once.
this one is beautiful.
I knew the sprinkles would help.
Okay, the first one's dropped.
This is so cool.
It happens
Look.
so slowly.
If you look at the blue, there's still like blue just floating in the water now.
It stains
When you
the water
look
afterwards.
from the top, it looks all black. Look from the top, Nathan.
Oh yeah, if you look at the top of the red, it just looks all red. But then if you look at the
There
side,
goes another one.
oh yeah,
Whoa.
3 of them. Yeah, 4 of them dropped.
What is red?
Okay,
This is gonna be so
the other ones look like they're close.
I'm excited.
Okay, do you want to add multiple colors to the next one?
Yeah, I want to
Okay.
put one.
Okay, see how much comes out.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, that's kind of.
I think the more you put in, the longer you have to wait. As silly as that sounds.
Yeah, I'll put some on the outside. Let's put. We're gonna put on. Well, apparently we're gonna put on a lot in this one.
Oh, it sees it. It's gonna. One is really on the bottom. Okay, so be quick. Be quick.
Come on, Kevin.
10, 9, 8, 7.
This one doesn't come out. Okay.
4, 1, 3. Yeah. We're gonna have a lot. We're gonna have a lot. We're gonna have a lot.
This experiment is a good way to teach patience. Katie, you should see your face through the cup.
Cup.
Josh.
I did it.
Josh made it come. Oh, it looks like a tornado.
Oh wait, hopefully one drops at the same time as it is.
Blue.
Oh, a blue.
A blue didn't fall. Oh, it did.
Blue. Blue.
Hey, my tapping worked.
Do more.
Too much.
Not too much tapping.
Oh, red.
Red fell. Maybe it just started bleeding because how many times it's tapped.
It's like a dragon.
So if you need to work on patience, this is a good science experiment for you. All right, I like this. This was a fun one.
Oh, we'll just wait for those to fall eventually. Anyway, push them off.
Now we're going to do what is called the water rise experiment. First, we're going to have Lizzie Put food coloring into the water. 2 or 3 drops.
1, 2.
Put one more. Wait, I think 2's enough.
Yeah,
Just put a third for good measure. Okay, then stir.
Stir. Whoop.
Here, I'll take this.
Then we're gonna pour a 1/2 centimeter or so in the pie pan. You just wanna cover the bottom.
Oh,
Like that.
That looks good. Now place the candles in the middle of the puddle.
light it.
You have to put a little pressure on it.
Let me do it. I told you I'm better. You as fast as you can. You go.
Okay. Now let the
wait,
candle firmly establish the flame. All right. Then put the cup over top of the candle.
It's rising.
Do you see the water rising?
Whoa. Wait, I don't see
Inside the
it.
cup.
Yeah, the water is now going inside of the cup.
Oh, I think the candle died though.
Look at what the water did.
How? Light it again.
All right. Can we light it again?
Let's see if it'll work a second time. I want to see it a second time because
All right.
that is really cool.
Yeah, lift it.
And then the water goes down.
All right. I'll light it this time.
Okay.
What? Ethan, put it over.
We'll give it a second.
Yeah.
Okay.
The water's rising faster.
Yeah.
Flame's
Even
going out.
dies
It's
down.
going out. It's going out. No.
Oh,
But it's
that is really cool.
cool. And we only have one.
I wish there was a way to light it.
So the reason that happens is that the flame heats the air inside the container and the hot air expands quickly. Some of the expanding air escapes from under the glass, and you might have seen some bubbles. When the flame fades and goes out, the air in the container cools and the cooler air contracts and takes up less space. And then the vacuum weakens and the water is not sucked up anymore. Pretty cool.
And the flame runs out of air, so it can't be lit anymore.
Yep. Our last science experiment involves a bar of soap. And we're going to find out what happens when you put a bar of soap in the microwave. Lizzie's going to conduct this experiment.
What do you think is going to happen?
And then you put your bar of soap on a microwave safe plate. Close the door. Put it in for 1.5 minutes.
Add 30 seconds buttons. This one. Convenient add 30 seconds buttons.
Is it going to explode?
Let's see what's gonna happen. What's happening?
Wow! It's lifting up in the air.
That is so cool. And then we can touch the bottom and see what's.
Oh, the whole kitchen smells like soap.
Yeah, it smells good though. Yeah. It's like still growing. It's Whoa! Look how high it is. Wow. If you guys want to try this,
It's fun.
it's really fun. And then,
Buy soap and put it in the microwave. That's all you have to do.
yep,
It's getting steamy in there. I can hardly see the bar of soap anymore.
More soapy.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what.
Open it.
Wow!
Let's touch it.
I say we put it in for 30 more seconds.
I say
and
we
see what
touch it.
happens.
I say we touch
30
it.
more seconds.
Add 30 seconds.
This is gonna be so cool.
It already is. Poke it with a straw. Wait. Poke it.
It's hard.
Wait.
Is it hard?
Wait, did the soap multiply or something?
Can I see it? Feel it.
No, wait, it could be hot.
Is it hot, Mom?
Yes, it is very hot.
Wait, I think the soap multiplied.
See if you can stab it down through.
Wait, can I feel
It's still soapy.
Wait,
and it's
hot.
Let's cool it. Let it cool down. Let it cool down.
It's foam. Wait, I need to show Matthew the multiplying soap. Ooh, wait, this one cooled down. It's foam-ish. Let's cool down a little bit. It's still pretty hot though. It's like it's turned into foam.
So everyone, this is what happens when you put soap in the microwave.
Oh, it didn't explode.
It didn't
Wait,
explode.
now we can use it for soap and we have more. We should do that with all our soap.
All right, thanks everyone for joining us for
And soap. How to make
Cool Kitchen Science.
Wait, but there's one thing. When we get 50 subscribers, we're gonna dye our hair.
Oh yes, if we get 50 subscribers, Nathan's
yeah.
hair will be purple,
blue.
blue,
Both. Let's try both.
both.
What color will it be?
Katie's gonna dye her hair.
Gold and
Gold?
yeah,
Gold.
and
Yes.
silver.
And silver, we've been shopping hair dye.
Yeah.
There is gold and silver hair dye.
I'm from
So if you want to see us
blue and purple.
dye our hair gold and silver and blue and purple
And other colors.
and other colors, subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Once we hit 50 subscribers, we'll do a video on dyeing our hair.
Don't forget to like.
Like and comment down below and tell us what your favorite science experiment was and if you tried any. See you next time.
Bye! Josh, don't do
Okay.